Hi Dress New Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Wade from Elemental. So let's get started. To draw cute Wade, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big circle. Now that one circle in, let's go right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. So then 2 circles in, we need to draw more circles. Let's come inside and towards, kind of like in the center, but towards maybe this corner a little bit more. We're going to go ahead and draw another circle. And then inside will be another one right in the center. And one last one right here. We're going to draw another one for a highlight and shade everything else in right here. And then the color of Wade's eyes, which is blue, will be in this area right there. So same thing on this side. So lots of good practice for drawing circles today. And here. There. Okay, now that we have all the circles in, let's go ahead and draw his nose. So in between the eyes, about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft curve for a nose. And of course, we're going to give Wade a big smile. So about right here, right underneath the nose, let's go ahead and draw a big wide smile. And I'll bring it up and cap it off. And let's not forget his eyebrows. So I'm going to come up about right here and just going to curve down and thicken it up for his brow. So same thing on the other side. Curve down and thicken it up. There. Then from there we're going to draw his head, which is kind of like this big drop of water, right? Kind of. We're going to come to where his brow is, and about right here I'll just give myself a point. And we're going to start with a curve, slight curve towards his eye. And then on this side it's going to be a little bit different, but let's go right across, about right here next to that brow again. And this side is going to be rounder. It's going to be curved out. So in a little bit more and out. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to bring this down for some cheeks. And Wade has a really large chin. So I'm just going to find my center and let's say, just kind of imagine how low you want to bring this. So I'll say about right here. I'll give myself a point, just approximate so I know where I'm going. And I'm going to go ahead and draw this big curve towards my point. And you can definitely adjust. Just take a look later once you're done if it's low enough or not. And connect. There. So I gotta give him a big chin. Then from there we're going to come up here, and on this side we're going to draw some water. So I'm going to go up, and I'll just draw 3 of these drops that are kind of up. So smaller one right here, and we're going to be close to his brow, so about right there. We're going to draw another one going up, and let's bring this in. So our goal is just to have it as if his hair is on this side, his water hair. So like I said, just one big drop, and let's draw this big one. So we're going to fit this all in. One big drop of water. So just make everything nice and round. There. Yay, we did it. So hopefully that kind of looks like Wade's hair without making it too complicated. That was my goal. Okay, so now that we have that, we're done with his head. We're this in a little bit more. Let's draw his body. So let's find our center. So about right here and here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve coming down. So you have to remember weight is water, right? So everything is very flowy. So let's bring this about right there. I'm going to go ahead and connect it. And connect it again for his shirt collar. And let's bring this down. Bring this down. And before I finish that, I'm going to come back in here and come in about right here and here. And I'm going to draw a curve. So this is like his chest area. Nice big curve. So about right there, and I'll bring it in. So he's top heavy. So his chest area is going to be bigger and taller than his bottom. So about right there, let's bring this in. And I'm having his hands in his pocket, so it just makes it a little bit easier to draw. So say about right there. Just gonna straighten out a little bit and connect with a slight wobble. And I'll just go ahead and give a little line there for detail. And then right in this space right here, we're going to angle it out just a little bit. So make sure you get this little angle right there so it looks like pockets. And then let's bring this down. So come down and we're gonna wobble. So I'm gonna find my center, come down about right here, nice and low, and then we're just gonna connect everything for his feet. So we're going to come out on both sides right here, and let's go ahead and wobble. So remember he's water, so about right there I'm going to wobble and then connect everything there. So we're just going to point it out just to make it look like feet. So same thing here. There. Okay. Then from there, let's draw his arm. So we're just going to bring it all back to there. So his hands look like it's in his pocket. And one big curve and bring it in. So same thing here. There. Should bring this down a little bit more. Okay, and then let's cut it off. So for his sleeve, so let's say about right here, go and cut it off. Give some stripes, and same thing here. I think there's probably 2 stripes here, right? I think. If not, I'll erase it. There. Okay, so then from there, that is pretty much it, except I'm going to put a heart right here on his shirt to make him my Draw So Cute Wade from Elemental. I really hope you love how he turned out and that I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.